So what you can also do is you can print out emails from Microsoft Outlook. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto a particular mail. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here onto this particular mail right here. And let's say I want to print this out. In that case, I can go around onto print on the top, or I can go around onto three dot button right here and then choose print, as you can see. Then what you have is you got a preview of the print right here. So you can go around and close this if you change your mind, or you can go out and print by clicking on this print button over here. So once you click on the print button, you need to wait for a while. And then you get to this page right here. So now you can choose a physical printer, but in my case, I'm going to choose, let's say, for example, Adobe PDF, which is a virtual printer right here. So over here, you can choose the number of copies for the print, and you can choose whether the printout to be a portrait or landscape right here. So I'm just going to go around and say landscape, let's say, for example. And if you got multiple pages for print, then you can define the page numbers as well. Over here, you can go around and set up the print to be black and white, or it can be color as well. Let's say I'm going to set it to black and white over here. Then you can go around onto more settings and choose the paper size as well. Let's say, for example, you can select A4, and you can fit to the printable area over here just like this as well to fit out all of the contents, or set out actual size right here. You can also go around and change out the size of the overall content right here just like this by typing 200%. Let's say, for example, then you got this print spread out in multiple pages for that particular email. So on particular sheet of page, you can have more than one page as well. Let's say, for example, I have 2 pages per sheet, then I can choose the quality of the print as well. Apart from that, I can disable out or enable out the header and footer, which has the address, and you can enable out or disable out the background graphics if you have them as well. And once you're happy with the settings, you can go around and click on print right here, just like this. And then since this is a virtual printer, it is asking me to go around and save out a PDF file, which I'm simply going to do. So once I do that, you can see that this is the print right here. So if the paper were to be actually printed, it would be printed like this. And that is how you can print out emails by using Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.